How to archive items in Netflix. So Netflix does not have a formal archive button for movies or TV show. Instead, users manage their content through two primary methods: hiding titles from viewing history to remove from the continue watching, and recommendation, or managing my list, your saved collections. So if you want to hide the titles from view history, you just want to sign in to your netflix.com. Make sure to use the browser version of it. Select your profile and navigate to the account section page. Under your profile section, you want to select the profile you wish to edit. Select viewing activity from the list, and when you click onto it, you click on the hide icon button next to the title that you want to hide, and this way you'll be able to hide your viewing history. And similarly, if you want to manage my list, you could go ahead and open the title detail and tap onto the check mark icon to toggle it back to the plus sign, and this way you'll be able to hide or manage your my list section in the Netflix itself. So that's all. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.